here. Today I'm making slow cooker cashew chicken. Okay, so here we got about a cup of cashews. I've got a beautiful red bell pepper I chopped up, and I'm using chicken tenders, okay? So I've got chicken tenders here, and these chicken tenders, I've got them in some of this cornstarch, okay? Because we're making Chinese chicken tenders in the cashew chicken. And over here, I have a cup of soy sauce. I've got some brown sugar. I've got some honey. And we're going to put this, along with some ginger and all of this, and we're going to put this in our slow cooker. Okay, so first thing we do with this is we get these chicken tenders in there and we get them brown. I don't want to cook them because we're going to do this on low. We're going to slow cook this on low for probably 3 hours on low until they do. And you can cook this, put it over some rice, or you can add some more veggies in later on, which is what I think I'm going to do. I'm going to add some Asian veggies in here. And I just want to get one more in here, and we're going to let these do a little brown. And there we go. Okay, we're going to let these brown. Get this out of the way. Okay, and the thing to remember about doing this is a cup of liquid is what it needs, but we're using soy sauce, honey, we're using some ginger, I'm putting some, I have some parsley, a little bit of dried onion in there, and I'm going to put this in too. This is ginger, everybody, so you know what that is. And of course, a cup of cashews. Now the cashews, you can use whole cashews, you can use broken pieces. I have all kinds here. This is a cup, and we're going to throw those all in and stir this all together and put the lid on and cook him for about 3 hours on low. And just make sure that everything is nice and juicy when it comes out. And if you might want to check it halfway through, to give it a quick stir halfway through to make sure that everything is doing nice inside there, and you've got a beautiful cashew chicken, slow cooker, 3 hours. And the first thing we do is we're going to flip these here. And when we come back, we'll have these all browned up. Peed out.